Yeah, hurry.
Oh, my foot won't reach.
Mama, I'm gonna jump. Mama, I'm gonna jump down. You're too
What do you mean? It's all new to me. We don't have anything like this when I was a kid.
I'm trying to scare her good.
Oh, it's downhill again.
Yeah. Goes up and down. Graham, look at me. Look at me. Wait, let me come up here. No. Ah! No. Daniel. What?
Am I right? I'm teaching you how to do it, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I won.
Yeah, you did.
You gonna take a nap in the hammock there now?
Yeah.
Graham,
What?
I just found out that the proper way to do that is this way. Because Graham, look at this.
Yeah, I knew that was the way.
And a stroke just gave me a good scrape.
Yeah? A good one? Look at mine. Mine's got blood. Oh, love these kids' toys.
Mama,
Ooh, it goes around.
they're big.
That swings around there, Graham.
Oh, that goes around. Here, I'll spin you.
Yeah.
Don't let go.
I can't do those.
Oh.
I'm gonna pass this.
All right, my turn.
That's scary! Ow! Ow!
Oh, how do you do it?
Oh, you gotta
yourself?
spin Graham.
How do you do it yourself?
That. Your hand's warm. Good.
Stop, honey. I'm recording.
Alexis!
Recording stuff.
I know! They're scary. They're scary because they actually spin. Whoa. Ow.
I hope these hold my weight.
I think they will.
I think there's a lot of kids fatter than you, Mom. Don't hurt anything, please.
I know it's too hard.
Oh wait, my foot's on the wrong side. I need those gloves. Oh wait, I have gloves in the car. Those gloves in the car. This is fun.
Mm-hmm.